Hey, I'm Kat. You're watching our channel.
And I'm Nat.
Yeah.
And you guys have asked for so long. And trust us, we did not know the answers about
30 years.
how
So long.
Hassan makes us look unrecognizable when we go on tour. Listen,
Truth.
we couldn't answer those questions, so we did a vlog about it.
Yeah, it's a little bit, we're in a basement. It's a bit sketch.
We were in, where?
Chicago. Yeah,
Getting
and
our
it's
makeup
not
done.
glamorous, but you get a sneak little peek of what we did. Well, not what the fuck we did. I sat in a chair. What Hassan did.
He has some skills we haven't seen before, but hopefully
Yeah.
you can at least take something from this.
Magic fingers, Nat calls it.
Is that what I call it?
Magic fingers. Hassan's gonna give me a look. Hassan, what's the look tonight?
I don't know, we have to name her?
Is it dark? Is it light? Is it dramatic? Is it light and fluffy and airy?
It's refined, it's elegant.
It's boring a bit.
No, did I say boring?
Feel like
Y'all are gonna be gagging.
you're gonna beat my face.
Let's get started.
Yeah, often it looks like he's going somewhere real bad and then he pulls it all together right at the end. Favorite makeup eyeshadow currently right now?
I'm digging these Morphe palettes. I just
What
bought
the
this one.
is a-
I just bought her today.
What's a Morphe palette?
Morphe's a brand.
Okay.
This is a palette.
Favorite favorite foundation?
Too Faced.
Favorite
Born This
concealer?
Same, I use it for concealer too. 'Cause
So
it's high
concealer
coverage.
as a foundation.
Yep.
Favorite contour?
Fenty. She killed it.
He says it's gonna come together.
It always does, right? Usually.
I wish I could tell you what he does. All I know is he puts a bunch of shit on a brush and then just does a bunch of brushes.
Yeah. So I mapped out the shape that I want. So I just want it slightly elongated. You don't have to do that. Now I'm gonna go over the lid with this Dior eyeshadow. Ooh, your lens.
This is the avant-garde punched in the face, really tired mom look.
I usually do eye makeup first if I know it's gonna be an eye heavy look. So I can just clean up after easily without
That's what he
ruining
said.
foundation. We zhuzhed up the eye a little bit, a little eyeliner. What are you doing, Kat?
I'm talking for the people.
Oh, okay. Okay. The eyes are pretty like halfway done.
What? We're only halfway done.
We got to do underneath still.
Holy shit, I do not recommend this at home. God, who's got this time? If you're looking for a quick fix, grab the pot of Dior, slap it on, run out the door.
We're not the Dior.
You're so witty.
So I'm gonna go into my Morphe palette here,
Ah,
and I'm gonna use my Kiko angle brush.
what's a Kiko?
I'm gonna go into whatever the hell shade this is,
Oh,
because you don't know what it's called.
the middle brown.
It's like kind of taupey, browny
Let's go brown.
monstrosity.
Flat brown.
Meh. Hot. Keep digging. So I'm just gonna smudge that brown out.
Smudge.
See, look, do you see how you got that nice smokiness?
So we did not use a liner, he used a smudger.
So what I'm using right now is this highlight by
Anastasia.
Look up.
Yes, I do. You gonna glue my eyes shut?
Glue your mouth shut.
Did you guys see the latest thing on
Do y'all see my necklace? Can I show them? Enough about my makeup. Maybe we should give away a double right on this vlog. What do you think, guys? If you want a chance to win a necklace, subscribe to this channel and, I don't know, leave a comment. We often
get bored
play around.
with other people's phones?
Things have come in. We steal phones
text
and
messages from our single team members.
we like to steal their phones and read them and then respond on their behalf.
It's the right thing to do.
But thinking that it's them.
But also the things that she gets back in her inbox.
That box is crazy.
Wow!
Good time for two moms. Good time. What?
What?
Did he? You need to put this in the vlog.
Did you get
What
a dick pic?
Did he
Did
text
you get a dick pic?
You need to keep this. You totally should. No, something good.
To get it right.
Oh!
Are you fucking kidding me?
God! Oh my actual God!
My face is hot.
Oh God!
Can you do that?
Oh God!
Can you do that?
Oh God!
My hair is not done yet. But for now, I'm very happy with this look.
It looks really good.
I feel very beautiful. Thank you for bringing out the best.
Hassan, what mascara?
That's a good question. This is Smashbox Super Fan. I just really like the brush.
Well, you're
What'd you just do?
Rip out a tag.
So for Kat, we focused on
We did. We focused on eyes.
in our vlog
In our vlog, we focused on eyes.
on Kat's eyes.
Mine are currently glued shut because Hassan did not put my own eyelashes on, and I glued my eyes shut.
With glue, and that's why we have
Not
this
come.
And it, and I'm not allowed to lick my fingers. Fucking hell.
One's visual, one's in your imagination.
Ooh,
They're different, you know? Like, you know Disney movies have puns?
Yeah.
You can't actually show it.
That was
but
not.
you can see it.
Your verbal description is enough. Anyways, and then on my part of my video, we moved to a different room because the lighting was different, and we focused on skin, which today is clearly not a Hassan day. Oh, I'm so ugly. And it's just so dry.
Wish we had like a cool leather band or something.
I know.
I'm gonna take my nice little flat brush here. This is an OG Aveda brush. I'm gonna spray it with a little Morphe spray to get it a little bit damp. And then I'm gonna go into this palette and pick a color at random. I'm just adding more tones to create dimension. Right, we want it like a smoky sunset, right?
Is that what we're going for?
Yeah. We're going for a smoky. I like this
that.
kind of look on you.
Okay.
Bronzy, warm, delicious. Okay, let's clean up this mess.
Oh. Okay.
I don't mean you.
No.
We're gonna do some liquid liner. This is Benefit Roller Liner Eyeliner, and it's a nice little pen. It makes the job very easy. I usually use this one or the Kat Von D. I have the Kat Von D. We're going to beat her face. Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer. That is a mouthful. This shade is called Honey.
Lex, do you have scissors?
Yeah.
Let's just dot some on. Dot, dot, dot. I'm going to highlight the center of her face with a lighter shade of the same palette.
Who makes this product?
Too Faced.
Alright.
Fenty Contour. Fenty by Fenty.
Ask Carla. She had them.
I thought she brought them in here.
I did too.
Did not see them.
They're probably in her room.
I'm gonna finish my hair and then I'll get to those.
Snatch that jawline. You can really decide where your neck ends and your jaw begins. Okay. Where's that oh, girl.
Okay, that's so.
Well, you have to act like, oh my god.
Hi, Mark.
How's it going, girl?
Good. How's it going, boy?
We're filming a makeup tutorial right now.
I just accidentally made a sound, and we both sort of recognized what that also sounded like, and and I wanted to know if people like that. Taylor's at a birthday party tonight.
I think it's at 6:30.
Grandma's taking her.
Fucking charger.
I have a charger.
Yeah, I know, you stole all the chargers.
You know, my phone charger that's here is actually Alexis's. She gave it to me last tour, and she said I was allowed to keep it till the end of this tour. Go buy a new one. I mean,
Fucking just grow on fucking trees.
yeah. I'm out here busting a hump, entertaining people like a monkey on the stage for you.
For you. She's doing it for you.
Yeah, all for you.
You might get some footage in there. Fuck, I don't know.
No, I think you did good. She'll have to go through it and edit, but
We're putting on some lipstick. Hi. This is called Layover by ColourPop. She's a nice warm nude.
Cat.
Are you available?
Yeah.
Your necklace we created right here, it's double layer.
Woo!
Why don't you leave a comment down below and then we will.
We want to give one away.
Yeah,
so we want
need
you guys to enter to win.
We all need you to know about it, so know about it now. Now you know about
So
it.
you gotta go to YouTube and leave a comment,
Well, this is YouTube.
but not always, right?
That's confusing. You know what? Go to YouTube. We'll figure it out.
We'll figure it out. But enter to win the necklace. It's awesome. Proceeds, some of the proceeds go to the
Did
name.
I change my tampon? I can't remember.
I gave you one.
Did I put it in?
Well, I
You got
would
your
assume-
period?
Do you?
Without me?
I'm not there yet.
Oh.
We're getting it.
Okay.
So anyways, geez. So
Yeah.
anyways, proceeds of the necklace go to the Nanny Angel Network, which provides nanny for
Part of the
women.
proceeds.
Yeah, not all of it. We need to take some too. We have to create it. That costs money. Just so you know, that's how products work.
Yes.
But anyways, it's a really cool necklace, and we want you to win. So comment below and say, I want
There's
the
only
necklace.
one winner, so winner, winner, chicken dinner. Maybe you're a chicken.
Considering I don't have it, maybe I should enter to win.
Yeah, you should go fuck yourself. Thanks for watching. We need to go eat.